Editing for Dummies.
We don't even think about it.
What's up guys, it's your boy Pat and I'm back with another one. The reason I'm making this video is because I know a lot of you guys sometimes when you look at a software, you just look at all these blocks on top of each other, you'll be like, whoa, what kind of matrix is that? This is not for me. Wow. This is gonna be a waste of my time. No. But I want you to know that it's not as complicated as it seems, okay? Because these softwares are literally real life situations converted into a program. For example, you wanna write a letter, right? You grab an envelope, write your name, write the address of the sender, you write the message, you go to the post office, drop the letter, and boom, you receive it right there. Same thing. This is a folder. For example, inside the folder, there are a bunch of files. Or a subfolder. Inside the subfolder, there's again a bunch of files. And that's exactly the same for video editing. So,
Editing for Dummies.
you have your clips on the computer, right? You take them, you import them on the timeline. Boom. Boom. Since you place them next to each other, when you play the video, they will play consecutively, one after the other. See? But if you take those same clips and you place them on top of each other, if you press play, you will see what's on top only. The picture that's on top only. Let's say you want to see what's on the bottom. You will have to remove the picture that's on top. So in the software, you would have to disable the clip. For example, like this, you disable the first clip. Now you see what's on the bottom. The second clip, you see what's on the bottom, and so on. And to get back, you enable. So now let's assume each clip is 1 second, right? If you place them right next to each other, when you play it, you get 1, 2, 3 seconds. But if you place the first clip on top of the half of the second clip and the second clip on top of the half of the third, you literally remove 1 second. So when you play it, you get 1, 2, and that's 2 seconds. So when you look at the timeline and you see all these boxes, they're literally like this. Those are the pictures that you see from the side, all right? And that's how simple video editing is. So, if you guys know anybody that probably wanted to start a YouTube channel or start producing videos, but this has been preventing them from doing so because they were probably scared of seeing this, please share this video with them. I'm sure this will be really helpful. And just so you know, it was my pleasure to make this video for you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And I would really appreciate if you guys could subscribe to my channel because I'm really hoping that I could make more videos like this in the future. Okay? So take care of yourselves, guys. Now I gotta go. So,